The pancreas regulates blood glucose levels by secreting insulin. This hormone is produced in the regions of the pancreas known as the islets of Langerhans, populated mostly with beta cells. Once released from beta cells, insulin assists glucose entry into different cells, such as the skeletal muscle cells. Their membranes contain insulin receptors, which help the cells absorb glucose for energy. An increase in carbohydrates intake over time results in excess levels of insulin in the blood, a condition known as hyperinsulinemia. As a protective mechanism from this excess, cells will then start resisting insulin binding to their receptors. This will inhibit the delivery of glucose in the cell, a condition known as insulin resistance. To deal with the high glucose levels, insulin will turn the glucose into fat, which leads to obesity. This leads to even higher levels of insulin. Over time, the beta cells get exhausted and reduce output of insulin. This imbalance between the high blood glucose, resistance of insulin, and lower insulin output leads to a variety of health issues. Over time, the number and volume of islets gets reduced. Less insulin is released, and blood sugars now rise too much. This becomes type 2 diabetes.